Q&A!
Oh, this guy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen!
Looks like Groucho Marx. I mean,
And welcome to Super Serious Wrestling.
Is that from Magic Castle? That mustache? I'm dead.
Tonight's show is called A Hooker Tried to Rob Me, and worst of all, she left before I could get any.
looks like she took your pants, Groucho Marx.
Nick, true story. Let's get the show started!
Boo!
Natural.
Our opening contest is a singles match scheduled for...
4 falls.
Hold on. I want to get the new guy. Scheduled for...
1 fall?
Q&A over there. That's right. Q&A with the new guy. 1 fall!
Boo!
He did. I'm impressed.
New guy. Oh.
Okay. Introducing first.
Wider.
He hails from Sneezeville, Texas. Weighs in at a very, very sick 252.
Kurt Reynolds.
He is
252 what?
metric units.
What the?
Asshole.
Kurt. Metric units.
Head coach Steve Austin!
Boo.
Sneeze.
Who was it?
Head cold sneeze Austin.
Oh yeah.
Come on out,
Yeah,
buddy.
Nick leaves this place, goes to hell.
Sneeze.
Austin!
Sneeze.
Austin!
Whooping cough ass machine.
Oh, come on.
Stay away from me.
What's with that thing? What's with that thing on your head? What year is this?
Get a bigger shirt. That shirt's tattooed on.
You're spreading germs.
And his opponent.
Yeah. Oh.
We didn't turn off those lights. Awkward.
Oh, yeah! No! Woo!
Let's go.
Thank you.
Commissioner Gordon. You're a good cop. What of you?
Thank you.
Hey,
We found some new...
You don't even know what he said.
you watch your mouth. What are you talking? So Commissioner Gordon, I'll give you down a century. You're safe.
Batman, we found some new evidence
Whoa.
from a new criminal. He has a bit of a knack for the theatrics, we think.
That's weird.
What is it?
This is police business, sir. Just look away. Just look away. Look away.
I've investigated this further. Wish me luck in my match. I like you, sir.
Out you!
You
No! Bring us out!
No! No!
Yeah!
Oh, that's not what that's for. Oh.
You animal!
Ah!
Where's Rachel? Give me this.
On the boot stool!
I felt it.
Where's the drugs?
Where are the drugs?
Yeah!
Oh, no.
Ask him again!
He knows.
Make him tell you!
You know something about the drugs.
Do you again!
Hey, fuck. Where are the drugs? I gotta find the drugs. You, new guy.
I don't know Batman.
Where are the drugs?
Sorry!
Where are the drugs?
Fight him, Sneeze!
You got nothing.
Give him the drug.
Open it up, Rap.
Do you again!
Ow.
Oh.
That is real.
Zoom in.
Please don't.
Yeah. Yeah.
When does this back
I'll
end?
kill you. Your chemical warfare ends here. Get up.
Get up.
Get up, Sneeze.
Oh!
Almost got it in.
Where's... No!
at you now, Batman.
It's Dan Connor!
And I'm not just blowing smoke.
Pardon the pun.
After? It's a middle-aged gay man.
Are those candy cigarettes?
No.
No, but they are delicious.
No. What is this?
Was that a plan?
No. Rachel. Rachel.
Looks like I've got something new to smoke now.
Oh, no.
Oh shit, he's gonna smoke Batman.
You look like a big fag.
You look like a big bag. You're coming with me.
I'm scared.
Oh, I get it. The smoker instead of the Joker.
Oh, the smoke.
Witty.
That was too intelligent for this crowd.
Yeah. Whew. That went over my head like the smoke.
Was that completely original, or was that talked about online?
We're not talking about.
Amazing.